Now, last but not least, let's talk about branding versus sales. Now, I don't even need my notes for this one, because I can talk about this off the top of my head. When you get on TikTok, this is not a sales game, it's a long-term branding game, okay? When you get on there, don't just, if you have a product, do not just show your product. You need to tell a story about your product. For example, if you have headphones, if you're selling headphones, you don't just make 10,000 videos of you holding headphones and saying, oh my God, my headphones, whatever. No, try something creative like this. You know, make a video of you saying, this is what it's like cleaning my room with no headphones, no music. Don't even mention headphones. This is what it's like cleaning my room with no music, right? You're cleaning. You look boring, you look sad, you look down, you look depressed. And then cut. Next video, you have your headphones in, and the title says, this is what it's like cleaning my music. This is what it's like cleaning my room with music. And you're happy and jolly and joyful and all macho and having a great time. That does well because it tells a story, especially if the punchline of you cleaning your room with music is funny or entertaining, does well. Let's talk about if you offer a product or service. There's a guy on there named the Dentist. He's a dentist, but they call him the Dentist. I don't know why, don't ask me why. There's also another guy named the Lawyer. There's also another guy that does, he's a newsman, he's an anchor man, right? None of these people make TikToks about what they do. The dentist does not talk about being a dentist. The lawyer does not talk about being a lawyer, and the newsman does not talk about being a newsman. But we know what they do. We don't need you to tell us all the time what you do. We know what you do. We just need you to get us to like you. So your job is to get on there and be yourself and show your personality, get involved in the culture, do trends, do dances, learn everything. Be a part of the culture. Stop trying to sell, just be a part of the culture. We know what you do, we just don't need you yet. So if you're constantly in our face and just being yourself and showing your personality, or showing a day in the life of what it's like being me, or here's my family, or here's my cute little daughter and she's doing something funny or whatever, eventually we'll start to like you. And we'll say like, yo, this guy's great, I love him, and you'll be at the top of our minds. So when we do need a dentist or a lawyer or anchor man, I don't know whoever needs an anchor man, but when we do need a dentist or a lawyer or a baker or a pediatrician or whatever it is, we'll think of you, right? So it's a long-term branding strategy. It's not about sales. Although you can make sales with this. I have made some sales doing some e-commerce stuff and collaborating with some TikTokers before. So it's definitely possible, but to maximize TikTok and get the most out of it, you gotta think branding and not sales. So I hope this has helped you guys a lot, having a basic understanding of TikTok. I know I talk kind of fast, but you know, I don't want this to be an hour-long thing because I recorded this before and the whole thing ended up being like 16 minutes. So I was trying to condense it. But if you have any questions, or if you want like personal consultation, one-on-one consultation, and want me to come up with a strategy for your business and how I can help you, and you know, or maybe even like come in and shoot some TikToks with you on your phone or something, we can do that. We can talk about personal consultation or just straight promo. I have a network of over 100 million followers. I have a network of TikTokers that have over 100 million followers. I'm in group chats with them, and I'm willing to do some promotions, and you come up with some promotion prices if you want to like get your content blasted out to a huge network of people, you know, off the rip and out the gate. So we can do that. Just click the link below. There should be a Google Docs sign up form. You click there, give me the name of your business, what you do, your monthly budget, and a bunch of other questions, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And hopefully we can work together.